receipt where the man take they send it to her money. You see, I say plenty. You see, where take they send her money. You see, I say plenty. 150 since 2001. 150. Every month, if the man they collect salary, you know, don't pay anything. Now it on money that they fake come on. Yeah, that it on cry come and say, Wabumere o, ihiangi wo, ogbe mwa o, wabume fio bojuwe ya mwe bogbe. There it was so raw. Nothing where you want do for them for marriage, where you go work. They go make sure say they frustrate you. They go frustrate you past, you go run past ground. You go give them money. You go follow the wash plate. You go cook. You go message for them. You go follow them sleep inside poto. The tuana no time where the tater say two of them will enjoy you. Even inside the sofa. No peace. Oh, yeah, Mona listening. Please, some of you, change for your own good, for the betterment of your children. Emewe back of your baba bunia. Ama we ugwe baby raising bad. You raise them good. That if your baba bun. Not to talk or you just raise them bad. That you think say their adulthood won't be. It go bastardize.
When come away, we will collect manipulative rock. Man, manipulative rock by whether I feel no way fee. Men were a goodie, maybe on my account. Well, you're my account. You're my account. I call Ukonwe. Oh, you fear here when you tell you what, enough fear go, enough fear gelosa. Look at my bed. Enough fear gelosa. You manipulate the rock. Any affair no, ni ma hero. Oga onu mo me gberia. O gbe ani me ka bi na. Oga mo me gberia we am here who am happy to get to enjoy boy. No me ga ri any ona wo no we wa wa jo hun tai. E wo pe no ba me wo wa. You look me ani ka lele. E kere bie. Yiri pa yan se me ayama. E bi boyo me kun. Ura mo he yo tono igbo pe ave are nege me enjoy. Eya no we oni me ero. Ono say na kamene do to onu call. Don't call and manipulate my house. You don't ever peace for bed one day. Talk with man me here. Now what you want do me, my pikin? You will not pick his phone call again and he should never call you again. He's a manipulator. Now winch na he be. Now winch. All those things where go they do to spoil my body. You cannot spoil my body because I was in it. Wake up be away no go. Me dey go when see ka ki we agi. O kon wo ve true at na so when you get here. Na ge we na gene. You video ni wo bo. Don't call and manipulate anything again. Enough. Have a bonu yahu. Use it on your own self. I know say about here your own. Don't call again, eh? Never ever you call again. Oh no, when you are you. Oh no, when you get that way. Oh no, when you are name eh? Any affair no way. In the hero who are no one of work belatia. Ne won't be ready to take way. Any affair on the way. Ni mai onyo se wa ati ni age wo kama for da na no mugoto so I know you e go gwa ya le me no be ya me kere ni kere mi go no be ri pa mi e ga no ba se wa ji pe na mo je kakaka o mo ki je o mo lo fi gbege o lo salobo ano ma yesu we wo wa lagbo Ve uru pa eti a okpa you manipulate woman. Stay on your own. Ugaze when ya gboe. Oma ni me oma no wesoba. Oha me with my sister wigma. Owe ba ni. Maze we jigbe. Ogoma danujo ya na you understand? You manipulate me. You manipulate mo. And we're funny here like me. Oha na me ba you what the day. You fired the arrow to me yesterday night. I looked at you. Many of your neighbor, you will see and feed many. But to be married like spirits. I'll go in. I'll go in. It will give a wazoo. So when they tell you say they manipulate, you can witness it now. You witness, huh? Talk with mouth when they see you. It's a big winch. I mean, no. When you days will never ever peace for bed. Not only when they fire this arrow, then this thing they happen to you, my son. I mean, myself, I made mistake.
Okay, you this thing when they talk now, you say that pikin can't really just believe her. Talk true. The pikin go say yes, because person they talk to you inside mind. He no believe him. He no say na adult quarrel. No, please, mothers, don't be doing it. Don't be doing it.
I might block her from your side because I know so whenever I throw it to him, he will fire it back to you. See, he's a man of disgrace. And the big calling hey, call her Hannah.
He go take.
As they were bejigbe, just the way I go. I be bokwe no ya uni. Mami uje kakaka me video wa no ya lele ebo pu ya marriage. Imi on Facebook titi. Eru logo wonwe. Wo gbe we lese we ai. Won go say popo. Oma wu se we ai ni. Wa fi gbogbo ọmọ we get ti wo video. Wa gi jaligo nebo. No ropa ni ma ero. Then they block me, you no fit do video. You know say we don't know another skills wey we dey do.
Who call they block?
So you go do video, you will not put your picture. When we take confusion. I tell you, it's a big witch. Never ever he should call you and you pick his call again. Because as they called that yesterday, we say don't they two thing, I don't see they manipulate something. You yourself say tell me I enter house. I don't go carry something to look at. And I always want to manipulate. That's me you drop phone. Please leave me and my child alone. You can believe what I'm saying or not, Gideon.
Yes.
You don't ever peace for bed one day. No. Now what you throw for me? I reverse it back. I forget to block it from your side.
This one.
If I go and allow it, unu gba ni de come to fear you. Bomi ajero me de go fear you. Me ga ro go bi gbe. Even so do tun. Ayo aro trouser. Ina go gbe figure. Am no sa ba fear go e. Wa gbe o wa gbon. Take mana muela jane with social media. We can stop him in una. Mana show picture we we stop him in una. Ma gigbe omo the boy me kure e mo uwe wa. Iga agwe we ti nwa mo ga me yibi na ga omeme. Obi je na gidede. But today na hinyo ge. The boy me kure. Oh, everything you are manipulating ni ma ero. This wawaru wa komabe kon. Ili you know we go be se we ya huefu wa we pa. Leave me alone. Just find your peace. Hey, suffocate omo. Hey, suffocate. This wa bohana wa. Everything you are doing, ni ma ero. Please just leave me in peace and stop calling and stop your manipulation. You are way ya mohana believe in it. But this one this morning is so clear to him. Can see you pump and play.
No more. I believe
you. Uze we ma ya ma. Uhegbebo. Uze we ma ya ma uhegbebo. Ma obi jugwe ka wa we confirm in Nana ma in Nigeria. To wa confirm we yen o we gbanu. Baze we ye gbogogo. Baze we ye gbe. Omo na ati ona ge ma ya ma uhegwe. Mostly ni mewaji o maka emede. Udo ba we titi e picture ni ya ewe mo e ma wo. Udo ba we ye mose. E go down no do ba we ya we. All power of witchcraft. Just leave me alone. Uwe nugwe yari nugwe riya wani no kene gedegbe no do awo bola ti awugwe we awe ga ge iga le ne hu no mo gwa wege wa awe ga ge we ke we ni after me men also what's we for calling the we as we are manipulator we no manipulate we Gideon in this phone call don't do me ya go go already I've seen you me ya go go already the boy me kunre la ho onyo se de agbowo sa lo ba gogo o pe o ka ni ka bi e na baba emi o pa yan lo fi logun na gese re gbe mi be ni leyin o pe o ka ni me bi e na e this virgin me wa ni de ke me bi e ni na mi se mi ma mi na fi oge da do na fi oge gbe yan na we don na we na we se eran o kwi yen gide na we ya wari ya ewa baba e mi no pa yan ana se gbe mi na video o he ya mo ga wa me ologo ma pa yan ya gwa le mo ya se gbe ga ri ba nunu e gogo e ba pa yan mi pa yan ya gwa le mo se gbe azenu
lawo wo if anybody dey here wey no sickness wey dey make wey dey make kpekus dey loose dey be like say e dey open sickness wey dey make woman dey release gas boo 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 you know the one wey me know that time she dey do nyash that's why she dey miss uncontrollable any other thing wey dey make woman kpekus dey big e go dey mess e no quick peace go dey come go quickly be as I take dey here now many hours the person go don give excuse tire I wan go peace please do you know sickness wey dey cause that thing make we for tell this woman make she go diagnose herself maybe that is the reason she's feeling maybe after this man don go she con reach some certain age wey she con get that diagnose for her body okay the symptom toto go dey leak e go dey mess gbugbu you hear am just now say if he miss house go dey shake gbugbu 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 please wetin dey cause am make we for tell am instead of we just dey look am like you dey pray you know maybe he dey really feel wet for e kpekus or way toto dey very you know no be as her body fair dey maybe there is a finally I find my lady Monica she's feeling maybe after this man don go she can't I don't know first man second man even the third man yeah na sex in both enu na im dey cause am too much gbola don enter na im cause am mama dey hear now dey say too much gbola na im dey cause am me think say maybe any sickness dey wey dey cause am you understand because we no fit say na spiritual na that man dey no e can be that this thing dey do you na one sickness symptom na e be maybe omemi no dey wey alame eko wey ya bu enwa delekwa my lady Tuan is late God dear Dosa sister she can lie okay finally I find my lady Monica on TikTok. God bless you. I'm here.
Months. All those diabolical power you go to acquire, all with disgrace and backfire upon you. Don't temper my son stars again. Nothing. Everything you are doing, I know. Leave him alone to find peace. You don't want him to hurt again because maybe the money will be given to his mother. To a child that you run to live in 3 weeks old. He will bless you, but let him grow up and bless himself. Don't obstacle his life again, please. Now, Azag Mozeni. Ugwandere on no way again. So when you go dig back and I mean now we cannot case one. We cannot case one. Beji bene mo la dia when you want the na or say video. Mena mo picture whether there is social media no okay. He said do where do so say. Wonyobo basen wenji gbe ya yi manipulator mo e manipulate ni uye na say ai wo bu egun me wo mi mo o we gbiya abi ma o ko pase ni akonwo na we ma te ehun ya se popo wa wo ma ni me bi hi wa wo ma ni ma bi hi Take your time, eh? Anyway, my way won't follow woman wey don climb the chest break. Wey won't follow am knack hand, you go fall at last. Behave yourself, eh? Behave yourself. All those power you went to acquire, all are nonsense, eh? Behave yourself. Stop manipulating my house. Hello, Bobo. Obowe. Mami no ipopo mesena. Ose. Nye do we no kan your wow. You understand? Uwe wa me period ni ya velelewe. Wo ma no si me mo so e. O he me no nu muria. Egbe me no nu muria. Ni o enu we ni ga yo wa. O nu me stroke ko me. Emi ya fe no mama ni ma ero. E pint me no dori ebe. The Joanna Plus.
Oh, my darling, you never hear the man reply. The man replied, they meant, whoa. Just after the video, go look on. The one where I write Mr. Mantis. Now, the man they talk for, they just listen. The man don't reply how. Now we continue no, say no, she they lie. You understand?
Ah, we know. Ni ma ere ropa. Ipa pe gbe me pa kan we re. E ma we ga aro. Iwe owo ma no. Ibe na won are we. Ma wa akin awo po. O fi mi fi omo we ni ga so po we. E de so we ne kun ya polo. All these things you are doing in my ero. O se ti ga me in my ero. But enough is enough. Is ye gbese ne understand. Ira we no kan you are eh. E mi no kan ina where you are. E Nigeria ba. Ina we mi no kan your wow. Why get bewe? Ufin boy. We o se ni na azu obiri ana ni na do afile bogyo ona. Me mi no mi no ve
Compliment of this.
azenwelo etimelo. Ma ave bokwe ni. Egi file gume. Cause they ya fe nu we age. We ma la mo worio, we ma me awo ma ni mehin. Ima we boss we ni we da ine nwa ima zuo. U we ni we wa yo wa zuo me nwa. Cause wo ma no pa so ho ai, wo gbegbo ale. U we ji me o wo ninu ai pa, o de gbe so we de gbe ade. E me gbo ko we rio. U we la me life o si o ga me digin. The life me na turn upside down. U we pa life me na vitemu. La wo yo boy yo me kunle. Mami na wa wo we gbe na. O ma verian. Nige do gbe sagen yo a o. Nige do lo e. We ga ge gbo evie. Ne do je gbe no sunu egbo pe ani bi mi. Ne do je mi no sunu egbo pe ani bi mi. Bi ani dun no je. A we party ka kan si amegbe ba won ma ze. Aga invite ebiku eme. Ama invite egbina. Ona do ya we mi nege o ma ga we party. Wa we ma yo na ye bo kan obo. The video wa peke quite alright. O bi anari e you we bo e ma nege pa be na ya mo bi ya yo go da fun. Ye ma mi no ya gwa pa gbe aye o mi kan obo. E to 10 naira be 20 naira ya kan. Ana mi obege ni na lege. E family ya loda o wa la ni an le ko wa. Ya na loda o wa la wa na le ko wa la dia. Enough is enough, eh? Bi fun enwe gbe yegbe. E boni nu wa oni. Amo ya nya gbewe. Ma bi gbe riji e. O we gbewe to lese we. Ye ba mi no ri ami. La wo we na e do ese na. O se the last one in here no na. Udoru ya nya o we. Since we ti to ta ma feel mi go me. Feel oge mo. Enough. Ni e we no sinu ri mi yo wa o. My team unima. E pa ma gbe. Mi no we gbe ma o.
Okay.
Enwa yo wo. Ye ya ni e we no ma sunu egbe we yo wa o de. The family we ya na so. O 7. Last one you know now. The next one you eat away. Let me feel any of your arrow. And I see it with my eyes. It's stroking in one munya you ever win. Wahiara gani. o sege in me here we o ka gbogbo yi mu dia we jere ya we bo nya ma bi ha jere ya tin se we don't want we you to e do me de gbe yin mi abo we be gbe me o ye gbe mo me video wa e e Jehovah Street tuje Jehovah Street tuje nia so calm down ihun ni e gwa lo se ni ma mi wa gese wa enough agume we no we gbe you a o venu gbe me ya gboni do pokpanya no ya fe no mulele ni me hia we mi vivie yi wa ira no we deni o na ni pa se ai ko wa pa mi no kan no we so take time the last one iri no na obi ogbe ehin yo wa no hia fi wa ti tota no do e pint iri no hia fi lu wo fi le mi am enough we no muria na no ro he no hia muria o he na ga ri ni we na pa se ai ya iri picture no na mumma no azolo me bia ala dia mo weko voni same wenu ya nene hu we awo mani me bihin we ma awo mani me bihin I don't want them to flash me those pictures again. I don't want to see those pictures again. I want my it's kind of nonsense. I will teach you a lesson and put senses into your head. Of which you will we are one. So the last one I will only just send people down to do things I want to do. Now,
you see, una where they do nyash, okay, kia na yakon, ota holy. You see, and just now with the talk, say what did they make if time don't they go to go just come they lose, they bring water, you unga devoni sa ta na nyash nakin. Again, another ega woman, ega woman. The time where it there for young age, you see the way she say she dey knack. She go knack. Aga iriyo we oje no finri boga. Orioni sanre abole wa ro babe na go ni se monkey egwo nia. See na, e don dey old na. E o ai wa ko ni san we like ekwe do ekpekpe. Ekwa ye pepepe unga de bo ikpa ipian itu. You see, so if you dey do nyash now, one of the disadvantages later on in life is that you are going to be messing with that control. You go dey mess like say the same mess come meet you. You dey understand so? And woman ari mi no you we na kayari we boga eme hianga no gba me kwa popo o gba me kwa because you are your way so ma war yo. Okay, where we dey just now? Where we dey this one?
Gba love you no eni. Da bonu na agbale ya ko tiyan. Do ga sege yan to bi an ho. Yan he kala dia social media we. We are now rowing a kewo na ma go ma so e gba so enough ni yawa o kin yeke ni ge yawa o kin yeke wa severian we are in Nigeria na ni ero e do ge we ni yawe o ma kan me but do zie gbese ne e ma ni me e ta lo ma we sister gbe pe san kwa ni gbe oho we tẹ́lẹ̀ gbẹ́ pèsè kwa gbẹ́ ọkọ̀ wẹ̀ wọn lóun yẹn gé gbẹ́ ọkọ̀ wọn tá gbẹ́ pèsè.
No be mama blow this one na itu one that they call.
Wẹ̀ wáyé torí mẹ́kẹ́rẹ́ wọ́n mẹ́kẹ́rẹ́ ni ó ní nú ẹ̀ ń gbé màá wọlé gbé mẹ́.
Ọba market sister.
Enough.
Ọba market sister.
Nígbà tá enough. You can send a message gbẹ̀m no concern my way ẹ̀ nọ ọmọ ní bí ẹ̀ nọ. You understand? So when you are saying the work before you lose true things always. And where but I will put that sense into your head. Mom. no ya ze wesun na so ma gabi e wa na e ifon we yigbe I so pa no e ha ibi e we ya e no fun mi ni hia o we wa we ni sebebo wa na ya fe o bi boyo me pore emi amo gwe no filo na wa ibe wa ge video ni wa le degbe na so yo boy e gi opa ke e wa ya fe me be ge won sister ze agba lo wa ari ege ni no ya ran wa me ri ege no ge gbe no we so ni ai ogwe gi be no eyin opa yan wa filo raya me ka we do publish we social media ka wa gbo ya gbon a picture no ya yo do bonu send you wo money like the picture we buy aka wa ho wo wa no je de gbe mi no mo wa no wo jem ni ya no rile la de gbe mi no mo wa no and a picture ni me show you have say every year ya we memories ya ka wo ni ni ibe so so me pa ise anu udo e wo wa ri azen ya pope no ja ka o a jealousness when you beg. Now, I give you now to 10 days when the one if I was start. See, I not miss 10 days. We don't marry your boy on Kore. I suck by your wobo. Ma, Opa, I say I know. Take me to anywhere, I'm ready. Eh, no soon we here well. Danny me honey. The 6 year na me and you. Uwe azen wa ari na popo wo so ku a say ai e fi lu fi le me ka you we la dia na ya o live video for me picture we see a picture we yo boy me kure yo boy me kure abe mi am no wa fi lo ni mi am we mi am gbe all those things you know you are doing stop it I feel me no one no we gbo all those things release your hand from myself my body so where I get gbe oko very well me wa no to ele won wa no yele no gun okay me ma je gugwe no popo wa all underground me je video idi wa we see we or we cut una re mi ku if you have money gain you just behave yourself ran ipe abon ya fefe yan me gbere yan won mo gbere don't let me feel anyone. Iyala de gbe gawe pictures we ni ya mani. Mi awo go give fi. Inni o give pe hoji. Boy. You first of all regret us. Mi aka wa gbo we ya gbon. We ke o we agbe me ya gbon. Mi aka gbo we ya gbon. Ma, ya ka wa gbo ya gbon. I will bring out your pictures. You ma ka le social media no ni. O do ara bi ko ni ya fe no ka mo ni ya do testify. Ya say wa bi no ya gbon ya hian. Yo boy o me ko re don't let me feel your fingers in my body again. Because what's in me, I no can it's my business with you. We will sit down and dance and wine. Now, you boy on Mekuri. No bad time, you boy Mekuro. Oh, the boy on Mekuri. Oh, the boy on Mekuri. Me ya ku atigie ya kama we iko na don wire wrong place as when you was your boy you fe as when boy back mo.
So that is it, my people. TikTok people now want talk put wetin you feel say this woman that man dey really hide the kpokpo or wetin she dey talk it doesn't make sense. This woman no sound alright yeki. No be small sickness dey her body. No be small sickness. This a day matter. E no be small. He say they give am leg medicine. Leg sickness. He go come dey throw leg pekere. He say they give am a big toto. The toto go just swell up. E go just big. Go be like say everything wan wolo come out. He say they make am dey mess. E belle go just be tight. E go come dey make poo. He say they can't show himself for dream for pikin dey peace for us because of this man. He say na him know wetin he dey talk. Him dey do him own for outside. The man go dey do him own for inside body. some people now wey dey here wey be say they be spiritual, they fit talk say yes, so you never know spiritual matter. Yes, this man, if he really dey kpokpo this woman, he bad 89, or no, he no dey kpokpo this woman. This woman just have her own personal problem wey be say come put for this man body. What do you guys think? It's like anytime she throw something to the man, when he return to her, she become paranoid. Okay, she is not okay, she needs serious psychiatric evaluation. Okay, so you mean say now she dey do all those things to throw to the man, but the thing go return back to her. So now im make am dey say that one na wish. You understand? You don't still come last night, you don't still do me like this last night, you don't still do like that last night. Is it really okay? Is it really true? Hello mommy Lola, how are you? Good evening mama. You understand? So mama Itoan, call, please allow this matter to go because of your own pikin wey dey inside. Because the man dey call you, say me no call again. And if really you get a telephone number every day, obowe, hey do ya zen gbe me o, hey do ya zen gbe me o, o mani o take ogele keke no block you. You understand? If you want more na come back, you say no, you know if you come back because the toxic of the relationship is too much. If he really be fair, knock you all those things, he chop your toto, he knock you for nyash, you can't get problem for nyash. That one you feel really tell her. Say I dey get problem for nyash and the water we very any. Wa go be me hit on be me no be really no. We might treat everything no might treat everything na. He hear you. You understand? Instead of 24/7, yeah, like all this threat where you give her now, you know good. You say you know your address, you feel doing wetin they do the other man, you feel doing like this, you know where they live. Now some thing you give people, they will come do. People say may you treat it fuck up one time, may silence, meaning you want buy. Do you think it's nice? No. Me, so do I believe that man is really kpokpoing you? No. There's some people with the spiritual like you. Fit us say yes, so the man they kpokpo. For me, I don't believe the man is kpokpoing you. I believe the man just they do it on they go. Now you want make something happen to the man because he leave you. The man ain't leave you, you talking. So you want something to happen to him, make you for take get justice. Say, hey, he tie where he not go well with him. But as something never happened to him, you still the verse put. And the man they pay your children money. Can't you see that you have to stop? The man they pay your pikin money. If I were you, I will pray for that man. May live long, not make it not pay any go can say 18 years. And then me and then go okay 8 years. 18 years, no. Somebody times the money 150 times 12 times 8 years times 8. 150 times 12. After you get that one, the answer, then you will say times 8. 150 times 12. Let's do it. Most stay to inigo no ye have book me and I no see I no get up. 150 times 12 equals to 1008 times 8 equals to 14,400. The up na ye pay no wa be over 14,400 we go for the remaining 8 years. Please pray for her. Make it for fee give you the money. Pray for her, may for fee give you the money. No, they say make it die, may it die, may it die, may it die. No, they spoil the pikin. Everything where they tell the pikin, may they tell the man. Now you they tell them, but the man fit go the verse for the pikin. It's 14,800, my people. 14,400. Now it remain 150 euro for 8 years. is 14,400. There we no see another me we need go more if you dey work, you know the poor. Imagine 8 years. Now you want to say government give me 14,000 for children money. 8 good years. Igo no masakwa waga wina. You see, say papa and mama make una dey work so that money it go really fit be extra for home without una no go fight put. For you now 14,000 is big for your year. For 8 years, it no big. 1,000 plus in a year, it no big. Eh? They might be giving her fake prophecy exactly. Eh? The woman need the man back. No, he can't get it. It's too toxic. Menopause is the cause. Okay, menopause they increase. Toto do aton. Mama, you hear and I say na menopause, and because you also born late, so your body go come dey react to things late. We should be still get man for her now, and still dey fire down. Maybe all those things no go dey do you. You understand so? Person wey you dey collect money, you dey swear for, and you know good now. That kind of person fit tell you say back to sender. And you're my real mama, bomber. You carry and go court, make they pay, really they pay, and you still dey do and juju. E no good. Hey, when get return back to you. Anybody want to come and say something? I'm tired again.